So now what we're doing is I'm gonna move the exhaust more to the side. We already cut it here to weld it further because it's too close to the bag when it airs out. So we're getting this done finally so that it's much safer. Because if you see here, there's not much room, and when it airs out, the bag expands a little bit sideways. So it'd be much better. There we go. So hopefully we get this done and I can air out all the time without having to worry about the bag rubbing. There's a lot of space. Back welds to hold the position. Wrapped it. We downsized this tube. I forgot what size, but it's downsized now with the same angle. And we rewrapped it. We just gotta weld this end. It'll be all good. And we got a little knot right here. Nada. 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 This is the empty spot. So he matched this bend perfectly, like the stock one, but it has a thinner tube and it's moved to the side a little bit and it sits a little bit higher. So it's gonna sit around here. So it's gonna be way further from the bag so that it doesn't rub when it airs out or anything like that. So now there's clearance no matter what. Air up and I air it out. It never touches. Ahora quedó heavy. No toca nada.